Ahura, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money in a cryptocurrency market. This video will cover the most important and used fundamental and technical analysis strategies, so make sure you're gonna watch it till the end. Same as other markets, you have to learn both fundamental and technical strategies to be able to trade with the cryptos. Trading assets as volatile as cryptocurrencies requires some skills. Finding the most fitted strategy for yourself, understanding the meaning of trading, and mastering the technical and fundamental analysis are practices that takes time to learn in a proper way. Before going to check the technical indicators and strategies, I should mention that for fundamental analysis, they follow almost the same rules, but with different factors to watch in comparison with other financial markets. Therefore, to have a better fundamental analysis of cryptocurrencies, we need to understand where they derive value from. For better understanding, we need to learn what are blockchain and its technology, on-chain metrics, market dominance, and how to track them, transaction count and volume, and more importantly, where we can see them. What are active wallets, addresses, and impact of their activities on the market. And when you want to trade new coins that you do not have much information about them, learning about smart contracts, terms, financial metrics, market capitalization, supply chain mechanism, liquidity and volume, and how to mine them are very important. And now, let's review some important points and strategies together, and at the end, you are the one who is deciding which one can be the best fitted strategy for you. Number one, follow the news, economic calendar, the most important financial events, the major central banks meeting, and most known influencer in the cryptocurrency market on Twitter. Sometimes their tweets can create a new swing with no logical reason. Number two, check the market dominance, especially the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is a measure of how much of total market cap of crypto is comprised of Bitcoin. It can help you to find the BTC and overall market trends. The most important thing about the Bitcoin dominance is that it can help you to understand if altcoins are in a downtrend or uptrend against Bitcoin. When BTC dominance goes up, altcoins on whole lose value against Bitcoin. And when BTC dominance goes down, altcoins on whole gaining the value against the Bitcoin. Number three, learning on-chain analysis. The on-chain analysis is an emerging field that involves examining of fundamental, utility, and transaction activity of cryptocurrency and its blockchain data. On-chain analysis attempt to improve their understanding of network to predict the future price movements through analyzing a variety of metrics. The on-chain analysis involves gaining insights data from blockchain. Number four, EMA Crossover Strategy. When it comes to the technical indicators, moving averages are one of the most trusted indicators. When 20 EMA crosses 50 period moving average from up to down, it means we are in a downtrend and it's better to find the best sell opportunities. And when it crosses the 50 EMA from down to up, we are in an uptrend and sensible decision is a buy position. Number five, price action, which is a broad category in itself. However, the most familiar price action strategies are candlestick patterns. Overall, candlestick patterns are very useful sign to tell us when the trend is going to change. The most important and widely used point of this strategy is that you can use it in any time frame starting from 1 minute up to monthly. Number six, Elliott waves. The basis of complete Elliott wave cycle is 5 waves in direction of trend, followed by 3 waves counter trend move. Based on the structure of the trend, crypto traders can use the Elliott waves principle to determine if a rally is a part of corrective phase or continuing of old trend. This strategy is a bit professional and taught compared with earlier mentioned strategies. However, it is very popular among professional crypto traders. And at the end, do not forget that it was not a financial advice. We do not have the best strategy or technical indicators. The best strategy is the strategy and the way you can understand the market better and helps you to predict the prices, no matter what and how.